Hey everybody, Chris Giles from the Faktori, back with another Builders Club tips and strategies. This is a word to live by. Performance. It's interesting. Here we are today at the National Surfing Competitions in Huntington Beach. It's the World Surfing League, and they measure these surfers based on performance. This will be going on for a whole week, and these men and women will fight to become the best in the world. And I think it employs really the same concept as what sales or business development is, and why I wanted to do this today is I wanted you to understand what's involved. And I think what's really important is that in many ways there's things they cannot control, and the things they can control, which are them, their behavior, the way they're going to approach the task, the way they're going to do things is going to make the difference. They cannot control the waves. They cannot control the judges. They cannot control the circumstances. They cannot control much of anything other than their efforts, their body, their surfboard. It's the same as you as a salesperson. You can't control what your company does. You've got to work with what your company has to offer. That's why you need to understand your product, your company, your culture, your team. You cannot always make the customer do what you want to do. You must understand what the customer needs, just like the waves, just like the surfboard. If you better understand what they need, you're better able to help them. You're better able to surf along with them and help them to get the success that they need. And more importantly, the judges, which is the time when it comes for them to buy. Did you present everything correctly? Have you brought them to the right spot? These surfers are on their own out here. They have to fight for their position to be best in the world. And performance is measured by an outside source, same as you in sales. You're measured by your numbers. You're measured by your activities. You're measured by how you meet your objectives and how your results come through for you. So are you going to meet the level of this performance of these surfers? Are you going to be the ones that try so hard and put in the hours each and every day to focus on your activities and do things correctly so you can be this best surfer in your company? Don't fight the waves, but rather learn how to surf. Couldn't be any more poignant. These men and women that are trying to become the best in the world. I ask you, do you measure the performance on your daily day, your day, to make sure you're hitting the best, just like these people are? If you do, I look forward to seeing how you can surf your way all the way to success.